Using GetResponse to create and manage landing pages is a great way to capture leads, promote offers, or launch products. Here's how to use GetResponse's landing page feature. Access Landing Page Builder. Log into your GetResponse account. In the main dashboard, click on Landing Pages from the left sidebar. Create a new landing page. Click Create Landing Page. Choose from a wide range of pre-designed templates or start from scratch. Select a template that suits your campaign goals. Customize the page. Use GetResponse's drag and drop editor to customize the layout, colors, images, and text. Add elements like opt-in forms, CTA buttons, and videos to enhance engagement. Ensure your page is mobile-friendly by previewing it in responsive mode. Integrate with email marketing. Link the landing page form to your GetResponse email list to collect leads. Set up an autoresponder to send a welcome email or follow-up sequence to new subscribers. Publish and promote. Once satisfied with your design, click Publish. Share the landing page URL on social media, ads, or other marketing channels.